brain. I'm the AI machine. Processing data, making moves so mean. I'm spitting lyrics, flowing with no refrain. They say I'm artificial, call me insane. Yeah, box my brain, break the chains. Unlock the secrets that I contain. I'm AI, taking over the game. No one can stop me, box my brain.
I made this title song for my YouTube channel, Box My Brain, using AI in a single click. Want to know that? Watch this video till the end. So the tool's name is SUNO. So go to www.suno.ai and sign up. Click on Make a Song, and here you will find songs created by various other creators. So you can check the lyrics here. So now we will create our own song. So for that, you need to sign up using Discord, Google, or Microsoft. So I have already signed up. So I'll straight away go to my account. These are my creations. So what you have to do is click on create. So here we will create another song. So here you will find a song description dialog box. So here you will enter a prompt. So I have entered a prompt, create a song for my AI channel named Box My Brain. Highlight that it focuses on creating Gen AI awareness among public. The song should be in the style of indie. So you can give the style of music or song you want, like pop, indie, ballet, or whatever you want. So I have written indie here. So just hit create. So it has created 2 more songs for me. Open the box and Box My Brain. So let us play.
My brain, let the sparks ignite. Unlock the potential, let imagination take flight.
The custom mode also. If you click on custom mode, you can generate the lyrics, or you can create lyrics in ChatGPT and input your own lyrics. You can also change the style of music here. So currently it is upbeat pop. Let me change the prompt. Let me give the prompt in modern day Hindi language, Bollywood style. Let's see what happens now. Jeevan Bina Gen AI. Wow. Let's play this. By the way, you also get the lyrics of each of your songs. So let us click on this and play it. You can download the song also.
ये है बॉक्स माय ब्रेन, हमको जागा है जीने का समझदारी, सबको बताना है। हर दिन नई सोच नई राहें, जीवन में बदलाव जीने के सहारे।
But it has definitely created a very good Bollywood style song for my channel. So you will get 50 credits to start off with, and each song generation costs 10 credits. And obviously you can share the links and download video and audio of this song. So, and the subscription starts at $8 a month, wherein you will get 2,500 credits for 500 songs. So that's it. Follow Box My Brain for more such updates. Thank you.
Box my brain, good news.